Here's something that fits your request. Buying a commercial truck in 2025 is a big decision that requires careful planning and research. With evolving technology, new regulations, and a wide range of options, making the right choice can significantly impact your business. Whether you're looking for a heavy-duty workhorse, an eco-friendly alternative, or a cost-effective solution, this guide will help you navigate the best options available this year. One of the biggest considerations in 2025 is fuel efficiency and sustainability. With rising fuel costs and stricter emissions regulations, many trucking companies are looking at electric and hybrid trucks. Major manufacturers like Tesla, Volvo, and Freightliner have introduced electric commercial trucks that offer lower operating costs and reduced environmental impact. These trucks come with advanced battery technology, allowing longer ranges and faster charging times. If you're operating in urban areas with short-haul deliveries, an electric truck might be the best investment. On the other hand, diesel-powered trucks remain a dominant force in the industry, especially for long-haul operations. Modern diesel engines are more efficient and cleaner than ever before, thanks to advancements in emissions control technology. Brands like Kenworth, Peterbilt, and Mack are continuously improving their models to deliver better fuel economy, durability, and performance. If your business relies on heavy-duty trucking with long-distance routes, a traditional diesel truck might still be the best choice. Another key factor to consider is automation and smart technology. In 2025, many commercial trucks come equipped with advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS), including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance technology. Some models even offer semi-autonomous driving features, helping to reduce driver fatigue and increase safety on the road. Investing in a truck with these smart features can improve efficiency and lower the risk of accidents, which ultimately saves money in the long run. Cost is always a major factor when purchasing a commercial truck. New trucks come with cutting-edge technology, but they also have higher price tags. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, used trucks from reputable dealers can be a great alternative. Many manufacturers offer certified pre-owned programs with warranties, ensuring you get a reliable vehicle at a lower price. Leasing is also a viable option if you want to access the latest models without committing to a full purchase. Another growing trend in 2025 is the use of alternative fuels. Hydrogen-powered trucks are making their way into the market, offering long ranges and fast refueling times. Companies like Nikola and Toyota are developing hydrogen fuel cell trucks that could be game changers in the industry. While hydrogen infrastructure is still expanding, it's worth considering if you're looking for a future-proof investment. Maintenance and operational costs are crucial when choosing a truck. Before making a purchase, consider the long-term expenses, including fuel, insurance, repairs, and tires. Some trucks have lower upfront costs but higher maintenance expenses, while others may be expensive initially but save money over time. Research the total cost of ownership (TCO) to ensure you're making the most cost-effective decision for your business. Financing options in 2025 have also evolved, making it easier to acquire a commercial truck. Many lenders offer flexible financing plans, including low-interest loans, lease-to-own programs, and fleet financing options. If you're a small business owner or just starting in the industry, exploring financing options can help you get the right truck without straining your budget. The truck buying process should always include a thorough inspection and test drive. If you're buying a used truck, check the vehicle history, maintenance records, and mileage. Look for signs of wear and tear, including tire condition, engine performance, and transmission health. For new trucks, take the time to test drive different models to see which one offers the best comfort, visibility, and handling for your needs. Customization is another factor to keep in mind. Depending on your business, you might need specific features like refrigeration units, specialized cargo compartments, or extra axle configurations. Many manufacturers offer customization options to ensure the truck meets your exact requirements. Investing in the right specifications from the start can improve efficiency and help avoid costly modifications later. Choosing the right truck dealer is just as important as choosing the right truck. Look for dealers with good reputations, strong customer support, and access to a wide range of models. A reliable dealer will offer transparent pricing, financing assistance, and after-sales support to keep your truck running smoothly. In conclusion, buying a commercial truck in 2025 requires careful evaluation of your business needs, budget, and future industry trends. Whether you opt for a diesel, electric, or hydrogen powered truck, staying informed about the latest advancements will help you make a smart investment. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more trucking tips and industry updates. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends who are in the trucking business. Stay tuned for more insights, and happy trucking!